Friends, today we are going to learn about the number line. So let's start with the definition. When points on the line represent numbers, the line is called number line. Just try to understand this in details. So what is number line? So number line contains line. So this is my line. Okay, I am marking some points here on this line and I am assigning some numbers to that points. I make it 0, 1, 2, 3. On the left side -2, -3. So what I have done, I drawn one line. On the line I mark some points and assign some number to that points, and it becomes number line. So that's why when points, for example these points on a line, on this line represent numbers which is 1 for example, then the line is called number line. So in simple, on the line if you see some points and if you see some numbers on that points, then it becomes number line. So next is natural number line. This is not a separate concept, this is just for the understanding I have added here. So what is natural number line? When a line represents the natural number on the number line, then it becomes natural number line. You know very well that natural number starts with 1. For example, if I draw one line here, mark some points, okay, I'm giving just natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does not include any other number. So my line contains only natural number, and natural number starts with 1. So that's why I mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this become natural number line, as the number line represent only natural numbers. Next is whole number. When line represent whole numbers on the number line, then it becomes whole number line. You know the concept of whole number. Whole number starts with 0. So I am drawing one line here and marking some points, okay, representing whole number. Whole number starts with 0. So I have marked some points 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here my line is representing only whole numbers which starts with 0. It does not contain any other number, so this line becomes whole number. I am repeating again, my line representing only whole number starts with 0, so it becomes whole number. Actually natural number and whole number is not, number line are not a separate concept, but just for your understanding I have added this. Next is integer number line. When line represents integers on the number line, it becomes integer number line. It's very simple, but here important point that you know, and it's very important to understand and keep it in your mind, that integers includes both positive and negative values including 0. So when we draw these points with the number positive, negative with 0, then it becomes the integer number line. I am drawing that line. For example, this is the line, center is I marked as 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. On the left side -1, -2, -3. Here this line what I have drawn contains and includes both positive, this is positive, and negative plus 0. Okay, so it become integer number line. This is very important concept. On your number line you can see 0, also the positive numbers, also the negative numbers. Okay, next is also very important, positive and negative numbers on the number line. So remember this point, it's very important concept. It's number line, very important thing you can say. So positive integers are always represented to the right of the 0. Second point, negative are represented to the left of the 0. How it is? If I draw the line and mark as a 0, this is right side and this is left side. So what we discuss, positive integers are represented to the right. So here positive and negative to the left. Understood? So always remember this point, positive integers are represented to the right of the 0 here, and negative represent to the left of the 0. Okay, that's good. Now rational number on the number line. Okay, you know what is rational number. The rational number is the number which can be represented in the form of p by q. For example, 2 by 3, it becomes a rational number. Now with related to the number line, we can represent rational number on the number line. We seen till now that means, for example, natural numbers, whole number, integers with positive and negative value, all we represented on the number line. So that's correct. But addition to that point, we can also represent rational number on the number line. And as I mentioned, rational number in the form of p by q. For example, here I want to represent 2 by 3 on the number line. So what I need to do, I need to draw one line here. Okay, this is the line, this is the number line with integers. Okay, so now I want to represent 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 means equal to 0.66. okay, so it comes under 0 to 1. So to represent 2 by 3 on the number line, what I need to do, I need to divide 0 to 1 distance into 3 equal part. Okay, so I am making it 3 equal part. So it now the 0 to 1 is divided into 3 equal part. This one, this one, this one, this one. So this 1 2 3. Okay, so 0 to 1 is divided into 3 equal part. Now if I want to represent 2 by 3, what I need to do, so I need to mention 1 by 3 to the 1 point, then 2 by 3, and this one becomes 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So here I have represent 2 by 3. I am repeating again, to represent 2 by 3, what I need to do, I need to divide the distance between 0 to 1 into 3 equal part, then mention as 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. These are the 3 equal parts, and 2 by 3 can be represented. So next concept is greater and smaller number on the number line. So this is also very important concept. Between two numbers on the number line, the number which is right is greater than the number to the left. It's simple. Whatever number to the right is greater than the number to the left. Okay, I am drawing one line here, 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2, like this. Okay, so what we discuss, whatever number to the right is always greater than the number to the left. So 1 is greater than 0, then 2 is greater than 1, then 3 is greater than, here I mentioned 3, so 3 is greater than 2. Means whatever right of the number is greater than to the left. Then if I see here, 2 is also greater than minus 2, because 2 is right to the minus 2. So remember this concept, between any two numbers on the number line, the number which is right is greater than the number to the left. Whatever number to the right of the left, that would be greater than the left one. Simple concept. Distance and coordinate. The distance between 2 points on number line can be calculated it from the coordinates of the 2 points. The number denoting the distance is always positive. Okay, remember this point, distance always be positive between two number. Okay, for example, I want to calculate the distance between A point, that is minus 3, and B point is 5. So first thing is that 5 is greater than 3. So this is very first important point. So 5 is greater than minus 3. Now the distance between A by B equal to greater number minus smaller number. Okay, so it becomes 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So 8 is the distance between two coordinates minus 3 and plus 5. If you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. We are also on the Instagram. Please follow there. Thank you so much.